Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Wednesday, July 1st. We're going to take a look at crude oil and more specifically a couple different trade setups that took place today in the futures trading room that worked out so far really well. And that was on the short side. Now, the first one was a short before the announcement that was at 10:30, the petroleum status report. And that was a setup here, a momentum breakout with bearish momentum coming into a bearish trendline break. And that would have had you selling right up here around 58.61. It's one of the setups that we talked about in the crude oil black gold workshop that we had last night. So for those of you that were in the workshop, this is one of the setups we talked about. Perfect example of how it works. Broke the trend line, sold off just like it was supposed to. Second one, we had the announcement at 10:30, got a little bit choppy, then picked a direction, moved lower. And we went and had a micro uptrend within the context of a major downtrend, and that gave you a sell entry at 57.90. That was a very well-defined trend line. Nice bearish momentum coming into a bearish trend line break. Sold off from there and is all the way down at 57.25 now. So great job. Another one of the setups we talked about on last night's workshop. For those of you that were in the workshop, you've now made back all the money that you spent on the workshop. So nice job. One day of trading, you had two perfect setups that played out exactly how they were supposed to. So make sure you keep an eye on these when you're trading crude oil. I like using a 500 tick because that shows you a little bit more of the price movement than a time chart would. But that's all I have for you for today. So keep an eye out for these micro trends, for these consolidation periods intraday for the breakouts. And until next time, happy trading.